Hi, my name is Syed Zaidi. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultant here at Wilde East Towne Honda. Today I'm going to show you how to use your remote start feature on your new Honda, which allows you to precondition your vehicle to the perfect temperature before you head out. Here's how you can do it. Grab your key fob and press the lock button. Then just press and hold the engine button within 5 seconds to remotely start the engine. It's that simple. Now this will allow the engine to run for up to 10 minutes, but to extend the runtime for another 10 minutes, just repeat the procedure during the initial 10 minutes. On the flip side, you can also stop the engine using your key fob. To do that, just simply press and hold the engine button until it stops. If your Honda doesn't come with the remote start, you can add it as an accessory. Just go to your local Honda dealer or call us at Wilde East Towne Honda and we'll get it installed for you. Here's how you can start your Honda with accessory remote start. Grab your key fob and press the lock button. Then press the engine button and press the lock button again. On the LCD, it will show you once the engine starts. It will also show you the 10 minutes runtime on the screen and can be extended to 20 minutes by repeating the same steps. Thanks for watching and have a great day.